Hey guys, so today I am doing a cleaning video. This is actually a very old video. It is pre-Diwali video. It's that old, but I never got a chance to edit and upload it. So today I am doing it. I'll be cleaning my kids' playroom, including her toys, and I'll also organize this room. I also washed all the stuffed toys we have as they are storehouse of dust. My baby boy likes to put everything in his mouth, so I decided to give them a good wash in the washing machine.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on, I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you.
Later in the video, I'll show you how I deep cleaned the main entrance of my house. Last year, we renovated our entrance flooring tiles and I was pregnant back then. And hence, I never bothered cleaning the dirt, dust, sand, cement, everything that was trapped in the window screens, in the corners and everywhere. But I decided to do it this year just before Diwali. I made rangoli only after this massive cleaning, and trust me, it was very satisfying to sit on the clean floor and make rangoli. It was a fun-packed day for us as Dhyani had a lot of fun getting soaked in the water. She loves water, and because it was a hot summer morning, I didn't even mind her having fun. So you'll definitely find her having heaps of fun in the water.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Forget what?
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name.
Because this is an old video, you will find my mom-in-law helping me clean in this video. Though she does not like to be filmed, you will see just the glimpses of her in this video.
I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a
My
name
toddler loves playing on and with this ABC foam playmat. It's such a great learning tool if you want to teach your toddler learn her early letters and alphabets. Also, your toddler will learn an important skill of putting puzzling pieces together. So I highly recommend it. Also, my 9-month-old baby boy Kushang, he sits on this playmat and I can be relaxed that even if he falls, he's not going to bump his head very hard. So it's a great playmat and it's very colorful. It looks really good in your play area. So yeah, and do give it a try. It's not a sponsored video. This is just my personal experience.
Hit it with the dawn, spit it like a dog. Admit it that you wanna take this somewhere. Play me like a doll, slap me really hard. With me cause you cannot be for real. Spinning around, it's a blur. I cannot see straight anymore. But still we know it's alright. We'll make it to
If you have seen my life update video which I recently posted on my channel, then you would already know by now that now my mom-in-law has left for India. They were with me for 1 whole year and it's been a great journey which has now come to an end. And now I am on my own and tackling and handling my kids my way, and it's very challenging but it's really satisfying, and my routines are changing. So I don't know when I'm going to do this cleaning type of video next, hopefully soon in the future, where I am completely settled in my new routines. And till then I'll be definitely showing you how I'm managing my kids all by myself, my chores, my kitchen work, cleaning, cooking, laundry, everything. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to my channel, and also share my channel with your friends and family. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Talk the real